Hey there, welcome to my channel. This is Mel Sarah. I'm going to show you something really cool that Canva has started this year. It's in beta testing. This is pretty awesome. You can remove the background to your video without a green screen. All right, hang tight. Stick with me. Welcome to Dream It to Life Social Media with me, Mel Sarah, where I help you grow your online presence, tips, tricks, and how-tos on how we help you bring your dreams to life. And before we get started in this week's video, make sure to like and subscribe so that you'll never miss any of my videos. Hey there again, it's Mel Sarah. I'm going to show you how to remove the background to your video using Canva. This is pretty cool. So what you need to do is go over to Canva. You can go into whatever option you're trying to choose, you know, a video, a post, or whatever you're trying to do. So I just went into, I'm just in a post right now. All right, let's do this. It's late. Let's go on over to Canva. Okay, now that you're in Canva, now you want to go to a video, or if you're going to do a social media post, you can go there. But I'm just going to select video for now, just for demonstration purposes. Okay, so now that I'm here, I'm going to click on YouTube video. This is mainly for YouTube content that I do. So now I'm going to go over to the left-hand side of the screen, and it shows you videos about it's third, fourth one up. I guess it depends on how many icons it has shown for you. And then you can grab any video, or you can grab your own video, of course, which would be in your uploads. So I picked videos. So I can choose this one that I have personally on here, or you can go and choose any one of the videos that they have on here. And we can choose, how about we do the airplane? I'm gonna move this over here. All right, now let's see what we can do here. Okay, so make sure you click on the video that you want to do this to. And right now, Canva is making them for only a minute and a half. So you can only remove the background for a video that is a minute and a half. It doesn't work if you put a video in there and clip it down to a minute and a half. It has to be a minute and a half clip when you put it in there, or it just doesn't work. Okay, so those are some of the technical difficulties you might have. Make sure it's a minute and a half or less. Then you move it in here. Then you'll click on the video, and then you'll go to edit video up here on the left hand side at the top, where it gives you different capabilities to change or edit the video you have. Okay, so I'm clicking on it. I got edit video, and now right here, here's this new cool feature. I am so excited. Now looky there. The plane's there. Let's play. That is so stinking cool. I am so excited for this. And I am so excited for everyone that does not have a green screen behind them where they can do this to some of their clips. Okay, so as we can see that not everything is going to be perfect with this. I know it works better with people, you know, that are right there. I mean, that's still pretty darn good right there, to be able to get a plane without the background there, without a green screen. Now I will show you how it works with a person in a video. Okay, here's this one. And this is one that I used with a video already, but I did not do this background remover with this. Okay, now do the same thing. Click on the video and go up to edit video and click on the background remover. And looky there.
We want to give them and we want to sponsor them.
That is pretty darn cool. I am so excited for this. There are some things with this to be able to use this feature. I will show you the requirements to be able to use this feature. Okay, so let's get out of here. We'll go back to the home, and so it shows us right here that to be able to remove the background, any video with one click, and that's, well, technically it's 2 clicks. You gotta hit edit video, and then you go to clicking on the remove the background, or the background remover. You remove the background of any video as long as it is 1.5 minutes long. It can't be longer, or that background remover icon will be faded and it won't let you do it. It's telling you that it's available for Canva Pro, Teams, education, and nonprofit accounts. These are the requirements to be able to use it. I think it's basically to be able to use anything cool, you know, any of the cool features with Canva, you've got to have something. You've got to have at least a pro account. There you go. There you have it. I'm excited for you to try it out and use it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Mel Sarah. I'll see you next time.